Hi friends, today we are discussing about mathematics and statistics, arts and science part 1, standard 12th. The chapter number 1, mathematical logics. One point two, statement pattern, logical equivalence, tautology, contradictions, and contingency. In first chapter, we have the formula. 5 formula is there. How to derive the formula with alphabetic order, letters based on that. Here I have given A to Z alphabetic orders, and based on that we will find out formula 1, formula 2, formula 3 and formula 4. The first formula 1, R, OR. The formula 2, AND, A and D. And formula 3, if then. And formula 4, if. Okay. First I have given A, B, C, D up to Z. Now we have C, T and R. Here N and R nearest alphabetic letter to T. First of all, T means true and F means false. Okay. Here two letters N and R is the nearest alphabetic letter to T, and the same way D and E is the nearest alphabetic letter to F, and the same way F and T, here I mentioned F means false, T means true. Okay, first we will derive the formula 1, R, OR. Here I will take the second digit letter R. R I have written here. Based on that we will define the formula 1. Same way T is the nearest alphabetic letter to R. Here we have C. T and R. T is the nearest alphabetic letter to R. Okay. Based on that I have taken the second digit letter R written here. Based on that we will fulfill the formula chart 1. Okay. Now the OR formula is first T F F. Here 2 times T and 2 times F, nothing but. Okay. Next in Q, T F T F. This alternatively T F T F. Okay. Now find out the R. R symbol written here, P R Q. Okay. Now T T always T only. The same F F always F. Okay. Now here you compare with this two letter. T is the nearest alphabet letter to R. So what is the final answer here? T. Next compare with this row. F and T is there. T is the nearest alphabetic letter to R. So what is the answer? T. So T is the nearest alphabetic letter to R. Based on that we will fulfill T, T, T and finally F. Now formula 1 has completed. Next we will go to formula 2 AND. Here I have taken last digit number, last letter D, capital D. Same capital D I have written here, D. Okay. Now the same way we will fulfill. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to D. And the same way we have to fulfill the formula 2 also. Now T, F, that is common for all box. Here alternatively T, F, okay. Now the TT always T, FF always F. Now here compare with the D and F. Here I mentioned D and F. Okay, D is the nearest alphabetic letter to F. Okay, here compare with the T and F. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to D. So answer is F. And the same way F and T. Compare with D. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to D. So answer is F. Okay, based on that formula 2, and we have to fulfill and derive the AND formula. Next, formula 3, if then. Here I have taken last two letters E and N. The same way I have to fulfill the requirement. Here as mentioned, F is the nearest alphabetic letter to E and T is the nearest alphabetic letter to N. Okay, this E and N I have written here, E and N. Okay, we will fulfill the requirement. T, F. Okay, and here alternatively T, F. So P always 2 times T, 2 times F. Here also the same, here also the same. 2 times T, 2 times F in formula 1. And formula 2 also 2 times T, 2 times F. And formula 3 also 2 times T, 2 times F. And formula 4 also the same. And Q always alternatively T, F. Formula 2 also the same, T, F. And formula 3 also the same, T, F. Now you see TT always T. Okay, now based on that if then formula, last two letters E and N I have taken here, E and N. E compare with T and F. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to E. So final answer is F. And here N is there. T is the nearest alphabetic letter to here. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to E and T is the nearest alphabetic letter to N. Okay, the same way compare with F and T. T is the nearest alphabetic letter to N. So answer is T. Here the same way compare with N. T only is the nearest alphabetic letter to N. So if then formula has completed. Next, formula 4, if. The same way E and N written here. The P always 2 times T, 2 times F. Q always T, F. Now you see TT always T only. Next, here E. Compare with the T and F, we have taken F is the nearest alphabetic letter to E. So F is the answer. Compare with the F and T. F is the nearest alphabetic letter to E. So answer is F. Here N. N are always T. T is the nearest alphabetic letter to N. So answer is T. So formula 4 also has completed. Next, formula 5. That is not. P not P. So true, false, true. That means true opposite to false, false opposite to true. T means F, F means T. That is very simple. Now we have completed 5 different formula for in mathematical logic for determinations of statement pattern. Now we will go for sums, problems and solutions. 1.2 Statement pattern. Example sums. Solved problem. Page number 8. Example sums. Construction the truth table for each of the following statement pattern. Now we have see example 1, page number 8. Solved problems. 1. P if then bracket Q if then P. First we determine the box number, determinations and the position number. I have written the equations. P if then arrow mark bracket Q if then arrow mark P. First we plot the red color box, that is box number 1, and next inside the black color box, that is box number 2. Here I will write box number 1. Next, box number 2. Box number 2, Q arrow mark P. Here the position number. This is position number 2. This is position number 1. See here in this box, box number 2, position number 1, and box number 1 is the position number 2. Position number 1, 2, it is increasing as the numerical order, and box number 2 and 1, that is a decreasing order here going. Same way we have to plot the table PQ, first position number 1 and position number 2, that is position number 1, that is the box number 2, and the position number 2, that is box number 1. And we know the formula 3 if then. The condition is TF, that is equal to F, remaining all are T only. In the table, formula table 3 if then. Now we have to fill up here T T F F T F T F. Here first Q and P. This is Q and P. T and T, T only. F and T, T. T and F. T and F, that is F. F and F, that is T. Finally P if then. This and this part and this part, and T and T, that is T. Second one, T and T, that is T. F and F, that is T. F and T, that is T. Same way we have to complete the remaining problem also. Now we have see the problem number 2, box number determinations. Here the red color box, the full equations, and the inside black color box up to here. This one, and box number 3, the pink color box, that is box number 3, and box number 4, that pale green color, and box number 5, that again pink color. I have written here the box number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as a descending order, and the position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to plot the table like that. PQ common for all problems, and we have plot as based on that position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, position number 1 equal to box number 5. We have write down here. Position number 2 equal to box number 4. Box number 4 value we have to written here. Position number 3, box number 3. Same way, box number 4, box number 2, that is the position number 4. Position number 5, that is the box number 1. And the same way we have to fill up here. T, T, F, F. T, F, T, F. The opposite of P. That one. Opposite of this, F. Opposite of this, F. Opposite of F, T. Opposite of F, T. Next, this one. R, not P, or Q. That is the Q. This one. So now this is not P and this is Q. We are getting this both. We have R formula written here. That is formula number 1. T, 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 F. The T, F equal to T because R. The T is the nearest alphabetic letter with R. Same way we have to fill up here. T, F, T, T. Next, T, F, F, F. Next, F, T, T, T. Next, F, F, T, T. We have the undo formula, that is formula number 2, and if then formula, that is formula number 4. Same way we have to fill up and complete the problem number 2. One more example for determinations of box number and position number determination. Page number 9, problem number 3. A red color box, that is box number 1, inside black color box, that is box number 2, and box number 3, pink color box, box number 4, pale green color, and box number 5, orange color. I have written here box number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the same way the position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we have to return here. We are getting final answer. The position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the box number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same way we have to do all the problems in statement pattern.